Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add your own voice to Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, the brand kit, templates, and right here, you're going to find all of your folders. So right now, go ahead and click on create a new video. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. Right here, as you can see, guys, we're going to find the option to import media. Go ahead and click on it. Then you can add any video that you want. For example, I'm going to add this one and I'm going to drag it to the timeline like this. So basically, guys, right now, if you want to add your own voice, all you need to do, guys, is go here to the left side of your screen. Here under your media, you're going to find record and create. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find screen and camera. You can record only your camera, your screen, and your audio. And here, you're going to find create text to speech. Go ahead and click on audio. And then once you click on it, you can choose the device you want to record with. And then just go ahead and click on this icon right here. Then you're going to be able to start recording. So once you finish recording your audio, go ahead and click on this icon again. And then go ahead and click on save and edit. Then it will be added, as you can see guys right here. Right now, you can place your audio wherever you want. You can also adjust it. You can adjust the volume right here. You can adjust the speed and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.